Good morning, everyone. Our report for this is all about information and communication technology in education. What is ICT? Information and communication technology can be defined as the use of hardware and software for efficient management of information. It refers to the form of technology that are used to transmit, store, create, share, or exchange particular tasks. It plays an important role in the way communicate, learn live. Worldwide research has shown that ICT can lead to improved student learning and better teaching method. A report made by the National Institute of Multimedia Education in Japan provide that an increase in student exposure to ICT thought curriculum integration has a significant and positive inflection student achievement, especially in terms of knowledge, comprehension, practical skills, and subject areas such as mathematics, science, and social study. Then next, three main advantage of ICT tools in education. Thought ICT image can easily be used in teaching, improving the retentive memory of student. 2. Thought ICT teacher can easily explain complex construction and ensure student comprehensive with called improve student attention and concentration. The last, Thought ICT teacher are able to create interactive classes and make the lesson more enjoyable, which is called improve student attendance and concentration. Dito next is three main disadvantage of ICT tools in education. 1. Setting up device can be very trouble. These are too expensive to afford. The last, it is hard to teacher to use with a lack of experience using ICT. Ang advantage is, kumbaga, kung kompleto ang gamit or ang yung tools sa ICT is madali ang pagtuturo dahil di na mahihirapan ng ating boses, kumbaga dahil gumawa na tayo sa computer or nakapag encode na sa computer. Hindi na kailangang isalita pa dahil andoon na siya. Then, ang disadvantage naman niya is ang disadvantage naman niya is yung kawalan ng tools. Kaya hirap natin gawin yung mga kailangan like mga mag-download tayo ng mga apps kung walang USB. Dahil nga sa kakulangan ng tools. Ang advantage and disadvantage ng tools in education. Next. What does ICT education mean? ICT in education mean teaching and learning thought ICT. Education policy makers and planners must first of all clear about what educational outcomes are being targeted. These broad, broad goals and guide the choice of technologies to be used and their modalities of use. The potential of each technology varies according to how it used, headed and dry identify of least five levels of technology use and education. Narito ang education, presentation, demonstration, drill and practice, interaction, and collaboration. Palagi naman nating naririnig to tuwing tayo nagre-report, nagpe-present tayo, nagde-demonstration tayo. Kumbaga, i-explain natin yung mga natutunan natin sa ating lesson na sinasakop. Then, each of the different ICT print, audio, video, radio, and TV broadcast computer of the internet may be used for presentation and demonstration to most basic of 5 levels except for video technologies, drill, and practice. My likewise be performed using the whole range of technologies. On the other hand, network computer and internet are the ICT that enable interactive and collaborative learning with their full potential as educational tools with remain unrealized they are used merely for presentation or demonstration. Sabi dito, kumbaga network computer and internet. Kung malakas man ang internet, mas maganda, mas magagawa mo ng maayos yung ang iyong pinipresent or demonstration. Then, ICT education. UNESCO consider that ICT can contribute to universal access education, equality education, the delivery of equality learning and teaching, then teacher professional development, improve educational management, governance, and administration, provided the right mixed policies, technologies, and capacities as in place. Then, UNESCO take a comprehensive approach to ICT educational is organization intersectoral platform that is focuses on joint work of communication and information. Education and science sector with our issues of access, exclusion, equality, and quality in education can be addressed. The next, how have computers at the internet been used for teaching and learning? There are three general approaches to the interaction use of computers and the internet, namely learning about computers and internet, in which technological literacy it is the goals, learning with computers and internet which technologies facilities learning areas and curriculum. Learning thought, computers, and internet integration, technology skill development with curriculum application. It is also used for doing different kinds of research. Ito naman is yung different kinds of research dahil different kind of research is kumbaga may iba't ibang topic tayong kailangan gawan ng line, kumbaga linya upang matapos yung ginagawang research at technological skills nito. Then, next, what does it mean to learn about computers and internet? Learning about computers and internet focuses on developing technological literacy. It typically includes fundamental basic terms, concept, and operations, use of keyboard and mouse, use of productivity tools such as word processing, spreadsheets, database, and graphics programs. Then use of research and collaboration tools such as search engines and email. Basic skills in using programming and authoring applications such as Logo, HyperStudio, developing an awareness of social impact technologies change. Dito naman sa what does mean in to learn about computers and internet is nabanggit dito is keyboard and mouse. Dahil keyboard and mouse, ito yung parts ng computer na pinaka-importante dahil kung wala yun, di ka makakapag-encode or makakapag-search na yung iyong gagawin. At hindi mo maano yung mouse kung wala yung keyboard. Di ka makakapag-concentrate. Then next, how are computers at the internet use distance education? Many higher educational institutions offering distance education have started to leverage the internet improve their programs, reach and quality. The, the Virtual University of Maternity Institute of Technology in Mexico used an combination of print, live, and recorded broadcasts of internet to deliver courses to students throughout Mexico and several Latin American countries. Dito naman is combination of print, live, and recorded broadcast internet and deliver courses to student. Dito naman is sa Mexico daw is kumbaga nadideliver nila ang nadideliver nila ang kaalaman, thought, internet, and broadcast. Kumbaga, broadcast is nire-record, or internet is chat, video call, ganon. Then similarly, it African Virtual University instated in 1978 with funding support from World Bank using satellite and internet technologies to provide distance learning opportunities to individuals in various English-speaking and French-speaking countries throughout Africa. The next, what is the role in education? Nowadays, information and communication technology and ICT, especially internet and education sector plays an important role especially in process of following the technology into educational activities. The one is educational sector can be most effective sector anti-efficient and eliminate the negative impact of ICT technology. Internet in another side can be most effective way increase student knowledge. Two, being aware of the significant role of internet our life, especially the educational activities, educational authorities should be wise in knowing and implementing the strategies to empower ICT supporting teaching, learning, process, and classroom. ICT is not just bloom to educational activities, but also it will be the secondary option to improve the effective, meaningful educational process. The main purpose of strategy for information and communication technology implementation in education is to provide to prospect and trends of integrating information and communication technology into the general activities. The last is what are the aims and objectives of ICT in education. The first, to implement the principles of lifelong learning educations, to increase and variety of educational services and medium methods, to promote equal opportunities to obtain education and information. Fourth, the develop a system of collecting and disseminating educational information. Five is the promote technology literacy of citizens, especially to students. To develop distance educational with national contents. Seven, to promote the culture of learning of school. Development of learning skill, expansion of optional education, open sources of educational or etc. The last is to support school in sharing experience information with others. Thank you.